and creative ideas can help us make changes that matter. Changes that improve existing processes all along the way, from grass to glass. ABB General Purpose Drives ensure hassle-free and user-friendly operation at every stage of dairy production. From milking to filling milk cartons and keeping them fresh. When operations call for simplicity and flexibility, our drives integrate easily into automated systems to ensure efficient production. Drive-controlled pumps save up to 60% energy compared to throttle-controlled systems. Soft pipe filling functions enable a smooth increase in flow, prolonging system life by avoiding pressure peaks and equipment damage. Milking requires a gentle procedure at constant pressure. The anti-cavitation function of an ABB drive increases the lifetime of the machines by avoiding undue stress on its components and reduces risk of product waste. Our drives ensure accurate process control when homogenizing milk. When filling milk in packages, strict hygiene and safety standard protocols are followed to generate product quality and personal safety. Compressors for cooling and storage drain the most energy. ABB drives provide high energy efficiency and reliability for maximum uptime. ACS 580 General Purpose Drives simplify your process and motor control with effortless automation. If you need a compact solution, ACS 480 is your choice. ABB General Purpose Drives, effortless automation and productivity for a broad range of applications in dairy production.